What's going on YouTube? It's me, Austin, here for Tristan Real Fanny Productions. So I have a package here that I'm gonna unbox. It is a new battery that I bought from my Panasonic VX870. That's supposed to help increase the battery life for these long rail fan trips. So we're gonna go and unbox it and see what we have. So here is the package here. It's a very small box, as you can see. It says here, the digital camera battery for the VX870, which is what I have. I gotta keep an eye on the time here because I am running out of memory. So this battery is compatible for every Panasonic camcorder that is currently on the market, including my camcorder, which is the VX870. So we're going to go in and unpack it here and show you what it looks like. Now, I'm a little wary about these batteries simply because if you are not using something that's been manufactured or is certified by Panasonic, it may end up dealing with long-term problems such as overheating or possibly long-term damage to the camcorder. But this seems to be a better brand to go with because it looks like to me that this is, I don't know how well you could see that, but it is certified with Panasonic. So give me 1 minute. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my camcorder. Alright, so I have the camcorder here, and we're going to go ahead and install this. Alright, so let's go over the specifications. So this is a 3.6 volt, 3,900 milliamp hour battery, as you can see. So I'd say I should get hopefully between 7 to 8 hours of a battery life here. So that would be useful for longer railfan trips. So we're going to take the old factory installed battery. And then we're going to go and install the new battery. If it'll fit. Alright, there you go. It took a while for me to get that installed because I didn't quite get on how to properly install it. Now, I don't think this battery has any... Alright, well, I'll be damned. So, as you can see on an LCD display, which, let me turn the camera around. As you probably can tell... Alright, as you probably can tell, I have about 1 hour and 44 minutes, so it did come pre-charged from the factory. That's nice. Alright, well anyway, so that concludes the unboxing of the digital camera battery, digital supply for the Panasonic camcorders. I thank you all for watching.